Chuck Wagon RV here. Falcon, come on. Look at where we're at. The sun's already gone over the mountain. Great little campground. Look at the other side. And then there's a river down here. Oh. Come on, Falcon. Let's go. There goes Falcon. 100 miles an hour. Say hi, Falcon. We're going for a walk down to the water. And he's got to be in the lead all the time. It's pretty nice still be able to set his leash down. He just doesn't go too far. Come on. Let's go see the water. A little windy today. I don't know what this is, like 16th or something like that. It's a Sunday evening. Really windy. Look at that. Beautiful. Pretty clear too. But that's where we're at. That little thing right there, let me see if I can zoom in. Right above that point, right up to the left, it looks like a double heart with two faces. Looks to me like it. I could be wrong. Come on. You see him over there? He's looking to see if I'm coming. I'm going the other way, because then he'll come and chase me. But anyway, just thought I'd show you. Next stop is Radium Springs, BC. We're in, and where are we? Good question. Well, we're in Alberta, and Falcon's gone. I don't see him. But anyways, we'll figure it out. Anyways, talk soon.